Hello traders, it's Friday again and that's the time for another weekly analysis. This trading week gave us good opportunities that we took and we will be talking about them also. This is the new, faster and better concept of analyzing the markets. Enjoy! At first we will be talking about the trades that we shared in previous week analysis, and when they popped we sent some signals to our Telegram channel. Let's get into it. EURCAD. This trade popped on Tuesday and since that it was running 420 points in profit. And when you miss the moment to roll a blunt, you can wait for 422 because 422 is 422. Anyway, pullback happened on Friday and we are holding this trade during the weekend and we will see how it plays out. CAD Chef. This was a nice entry also and still running in profits even after Friday's pullback, and we will play a waiting game here also. nzdusd, small loss at the start of the week and the price failed to bounce on the trend line after breaking a great resistance level, and shit happens, sorry for that. USDJPY. As we said in the previous week analysis, we will be waiting to form a new doji candle on that level, or we will use the old one for the entry. So what happened here? The new doji was formed and we missed that entry, so we used the old one for the entry, and yeah, but so far so good with this one, and we have moved stop loss to break even because it was running near the entry point on Friday and we wanted to secure the trade during the weekend. Let's move on because I feel a little bit uncomfortable looking at this. EURUSD. The trade popped on Friday where we get in thinking the market picked the breakout direction, and it was running good until New York session on Friday. And never mind, we're holding this trade and let's see how it's play out. We used this doji for entry and you can see it was running on Friday in profit and then pulled back, so we will wait how this play out. USDJPY, totally same as EURUSD, but still running in profit compared to EURUSD, so let's see. To sum up, we are glad for the entries and most of them will play out in the next week, so join our Telegram via link in the description to get fresh signals and see how this ends. Now let's move on and start the next week analysis. I should warn you that what you see next is seeking for a trade for our daily strategy. nzdusd, nothing. AUDNZD, nothing. USDCad, nothing. GBPJPY, nothing. GBPAud, nothing. NZDJPY, nothing. EURNZD, nothing. AUDJPY, also nothing. AUDUSD, nothing. EURJPY, nothing. Bro, nothing. Finally moving to setups which we found reliable for the next trading week. GBPUSD. Well, we can see the overall uptrending motion and we closed the bar above the greater resistance level, and we have formed tweezers and we failed to break it down lower, so I'm assuming that the trend will continue, and if we can get above this level of these tweezers we can probably break out to higher areas, and this is what we do here. We'll pick a long position and put in a few pips above these tweezers and place a stop under those wicks, so this gives us 90 pips stop loss, and we will look for 1.5 risk ratio here. And let's see a history. Okay, we can go even higher, and we can also use two positions there, one with lower risk ratio and other with a higher risk ratio. So we can get this to 1.5 at first, and then we will see how this play out and if we let the trade run. So this is for GBPUSD. EURAUD. So we are in a downtrend, but the most recent move was a bounce in the area. So we are assuming that it will happen again, but you can see here double bottom is happening, and we are waiting for doji on this level to form to entry for a long position also. So if the new doji will form on this area, we will probably go higher and put a stop loss on the new doji formed on this week. So let's play a waiting game here, and we will look in the trades during the week. EURJPY. This is probably just a reverse. That's what's happening on EURAUD, and we will look for a short entry because this was uptrending motion, and we started the bouncing between the areas. So we are waiting the doji to form on this level, and after it will form, we will pick the short position and also entry and put the stop loss above the area or the wick of the doji, and we will hope for another bounce in here. So that's for EURJPY. Other setups will be probably happening during the week, because none of them are sitting at those area which we are looking for, and probably we will see trades on smaller time frames. And now you know where to get in the market for the next week. Also, another setups are happening in the lower time frames, so make sure you get them in our Telegram group. This is a general weekly analysis for bigger moves and overall trending motion of the pairs. Thank you for listening and staying till the end. Don't forget to like when you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more. We will be doing another educational videos, and stay tuned and have a nice trading week. Bye.